Chapter 2, when is a company ready to go global? Here are several key questions management must consider before undertaking international expansion. The first two questions really, regard payback period. The payback period, also known as the break-even, is the period of time required to recoup an investment. A bit further down in the list, you see the term decentralized, which refers to how dispersed authority and decision-making is in an organization. For a bit more detail in these questions, please take a look at page 13 of your text. These are the 6 questions that you'll apply as a group to do an analysis of a particular company. There are a couple of terms on this list that I would also like to define. The first is demographics, which are statistics that describe a given population. Examples might be how many males versus females are there in a population, what's the level of literacy, what is household income, etc. Competitive advantage is an attribute or skill that exceeds that of the competition. Outsourcing is hiring an outside provider to perform ancillary tasks, those activities that are not part of the company's competitive advantage. Please take a look at pages 15 and 16 of your text and note the purpose of each of the 6 questions as you work through them. We'll spend the semester helping you to develop international expertise. But if you'd like to get tested and demonstrate to an employer or prospective employer that you have acquired this international expertise, you might consider the CGBP, which is a Certified Global Business Professional designation that's acquired through a fairly rigorous exam that goes over 4 domains, which you can see on the slide: global business management, global marketing, supply chain management, and trade finance. All of these 4 domains are covered in our international business classes, which include not only this one, IBUS1, or Introduction to International Business, but also IBUS20, which is Export-Import, IBUS52, which is Supply Chain, and also covers international marketing, IBUS60, which is International Business Law, and IBUS75, which is Logistics. An additional skill that's very important to have is foreign language skill. There's a joke that commonly goes around that says, what do you call somebody who speaks 2 languages? And I'm sure you know the answer is bilingual. Well, what do you call somebody who speaks 3 languages? The answer is trilingual. What do you call somebody who speaks 1 language? Well, the answer is an American. And not a terribly funny joke, but it does make the point that a lot of Americans tend to be monolingual. In a rich environment, like Long Beach, where at least 40 different languages are spoken, it's not difficult to get access to resources to either learn or to hone a second language. One resource is readily available regardless of where you are. Actually, there are 2 that I want to mention that are online. One is called Mango, and you can get access to that through a number of local libraries. The second is a great resource through the BBC. Specifically, one of the things that I'm showing you on the slide is an interactive, kind of a telenovela, for lack of a better way to put it, or almost like a soap opera. Actually, I take it back. It's not a soap opera as much as it is a mystery, called Mi Vida Loca, that's available through the BBC, and I'm including the website for that.